Most structural analyses today are done using software with the aid of computers, so to say, and computer-based analysis is dominated by matrix methods, namely the direct stiffness method. So in order to better understand the underlying methodologies of computer-based structural analyses, or to build your own structural analysis software, you must first understand the direct stiffness method and how to use it. In this course, we will understand how the direct stiffness method works and do practice problems and example problems using hand calculations. We are going to do linear static analyses using the direct stiffness method. In this course, we will see the direct stiffness method for 2D trusses, 2D frames, and 3D trusses. This course is for civil engineers, engineering students, and civil engineering professionals who have studied the direct stiffness method but got lost along the way. To follow the course without any issues, you must have basic knowledge of matrices and basic structural analysis concepts like equation of statics, support types and reactions, load patterns, etc. You can watch the free course introduction video and read the description of the course to make your decision of enrolling in this course. And I hope to see you in the course.